Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Nuvio application to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And now the first step is you'll need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, give it a moment to load, and here is that orange application, which you gotta get. But after you've got Downloader, it's not over, because we still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, you will need to go to Settings by going to this menu right here, go to the Settings, open them, then go to My Fire TV, and from here you will have to turn on the developer options. But the thing is that on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, those developer options might actually be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to installation of unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back to the list of apps on your device, and there is Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in here is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So you open Downloader, then here at the top, there is a search bar, which you need to open. You open it, and now it's time to start entering a code. So the code to get Nuvio application to your Fire Stick is going to be 32295118. Once again, it's 32295118. That's the code you have to enter. Then click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. Now the download of the app has started, so just give it a couple of seconds until it is fully finished. So as the file is quite big, it might actually take up to 15 or 20 seconds if you got a slow connection speed. Then you will click install, and as well, you have to wait some time until the app gets fully installed to your device. So just give it a couple more moments, and then after it is installed, you'll get an option to click done right here. And this way, we are able now to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And now when you return back to a list of applications on a Fire TV Stick, the Nuvio application will appear right here. So first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. You hold it down until this menu on the right side appears. Click on it, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use my link below this video to get 3 months free of charge. And so enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.